Our favorite summertime snack here, y'all. Ooh! Shishitos. Come right out of the garden. We love these. I've got the aioli inside, but we char them on the grill. It helps kind of sweeten them up, mild them out a little bit. And honestly, shishitos aren't that hot, but like you'll get one that's got a kick to it. But my daughter, who like hates everything spicy, even really loves these. Oh my gosh, and that chicken is just perfect. The chicken's been marinating for about 8 hours. And that is dinner, y'all. Right there. And close up the grill. All of this from our farm. I love that. I feel so lucky every day that we get to eat whole meals that we produced start to finish on this farm. That is a beautiful thing indeed. So, I'm going to take the shishito. I've made an aioli here. It's very lemony. It's literally like mayo, lemon juice. I put a little bit of paprika, some crushed garlic, teeny little bit of salt. I'm telling you, this is the best summertime snack. I like the aioli so that it's like really lemony because it just complements these shishito peppers so well. If you decide to grow these, they are very prolific. Like once they start putting on, you will have them for the rest of the season. They're amazing, but oh my gosh, that's so good.